In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install Notepad++ on Windows. So for it, just open any browser and in the browser search for Notepad++, then press enter, and here you can see notepad++.org. So you need to click here and you need to go down. Here you can see download option on the left side. So I'm going to click on download and you will see a lot of download version. Just click on the stable version. Here you can see Notepad 8.9.1 and here you can see it is written stable version. So you should always download the stable version. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to click here download Notepad and it will start downloading. Here you can see and it's done. So when this file is downloaded, you just need to double click on this exe file and here you need to choose your language. You can choose any language, but I'll choose English. Click on OK, next. Then I need to click here I agree. Then you can choose where you want to install Notepad. I'll keep it default location. Click on next, and I'm going to create a desktop shortcut over here. Then click on install. So this will install Notepad++ in our system. There you can see, here you can see we have the Notepad icon over here. So right now if I click on finish, it will open Notepad. There you can see. So you can create new files over here, write anything you want. You can write code. So yeah, this is how you can install Notepad++ on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.